Hi, I'm Ralph and that's Simba, and we want to introduce you to my masterclass for Bitwig Studio. What you're gonna see in the masterclass is how to set everything up. I go through basics like devices, effects, and how to record clips and MIDI and audio and stuff like this. And later on I show you the way I work with Bitwig Studio with all my hardware and how to connect everything and how I start recording stuff into Bitwig and then later make a track out of it. I go through different stages of a track where I show tips and tricks here and there and much more. Hope you're gonna check it out and you'll like it. Bye bye.